So there's a free app on that you can put on your phone. And if I change this to Bluetooth, like that, blue, come on, there you go. So now it's on Bluetooth, so I can just connect to my phone. I have a full universal control. If you want to send it RDM, you got fixtures that have RDM, which is remote device management. You can change the address, you can change channel modes. But if you put it Wi-Fi, if you change it to Wi-Fi and you connect to a router, you can actually use our Add Full app, which is also free, and do full programming scales. So I can change all my looks here, just do all different things, and then actually have full control and full scene playback right here on my iPad.